Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to tell you about a blog microservice project in ASP.NET RESTful API, and I'm going to use Ocelot Gateway. So here I'm using Ocelot Gateway, and that project is not completed yet, but I'm working on that project and just completed just after uh, 10 to 12 days only. Okay, so that is the my gateway project, blog microservice.api API project, API gateway project. And here I am I have a package that is Ocelot package, and that is a default package, that is Open API package, and that is the JWT bearer package, for your JWT token. Now, just few of the line actually add in program.cs, and rest of the code is actually deleted. So the first thing is to we all know that each web application or the UI actually communicate with the Ocelot gateway first. Okay, so that Ocelot gateway, it's a loader. So Ocelot gateway actually communicate to the each microservices. So the Ocelot gateway port number is 8000 by default. Okay, so if you have a client like mobile application and the web application, you can just consume 8000 port for the Ocelot gateway, and Ocelot gateway is actually transfer the request to the desired API with the help of the app settings.json file. So here we have a app settings.json file, and here you can see that here we have a routes, and that is the my global configuration, that is base URL is my API, my Ocelot gateways, that is HTTP localhost 8000. And now that incoming request is upstream path template. So HTTP localhost slash API slash post, that is transferred to the desired microservices like API slash post. Okay, and the protocol downstream is HTTPS, that is the protocol, and the host is localhost, and the port number is 7001. So what is the 7001 is? So 7001 is that microservice, that is the blog service, and here we have a the port number I'm going to check, that is 7001. So you know that what is the API gateway here. So application settings.json file is actually downstream, upstream is the incoming request to transfer to the downstream, that is the outgoing request. Okay, so when the request is received at that controller, that is the post controller, and the post controller have everything, that is get all method. So that is the HTTP get. So app settings.json file is API slash post. Post, I mean to say that the post controller having a routing value. So API slash routes, it's not actually configured, because I configured with the help of my routing, and that is routing is the API endpoint blog API endpoints.get all. So here we have a get all messages. So my API point is this. So API and get all, I mean to say that base is meant to API base, that is API slash post. Okay, so that request is actually received here. So if request has a page result class, and the page result class is what? That is your page definition, that is page number, page size, search, sort by, and sort direction. So the everything is will pass through this query and just return back to this return message, that is okay, total items, request.page number, request.page size, and the post. Okay, so that is my page controller class. Similarly, I have a that is the similar, we have a page request class, that is the DTO, and blog service have a data, that is blog service context file, that is contain the post. And what is the post is here, that is post is go to definition first, and here we have a post properties like ID, title, content, labels, published on, permalinks, and the location, search, description, author ID, allow comments. Okay, so if you know that, guys, I just started a membership plan. So I just started a membership plan, and that is for you. you just pay only 800 rupees and get the membership. When you click to the tutorial list, you will find a lots of technology tutorial links here. That is C Sharp. If you want to know about the C Sharp and their basic knowledge about the C Sharp, these are the C Sharp tutorials, video tutorials. And if you want to download the complete source code here, that is my complete source code. And this is not only a simple a membership, it is a extremely valuable membership. It's just only 800 rupees and get the membership. Okay, so complete source code, and here we have a angular basic course code. Download complete bookshop project angular with the ASP.NET RESTful API course. Download complete Maui tutorial. Download microservices project. Download hotel room booking project. Download complete React.js bookshop project. ASP.NET shopping cart project download. And the complete tutorial list is also there. So here we have a complete tutorial list. ASP.NET 678 is here, you can see. But that list is available. You just fill this form. So you just fill this form, full stack development course, your name, your email ID, your contact number, transaction reference ID, order ID, or PayPal ID. And course fees is 800 rupees only for the Indian users and $15 for the other country user. If you are belong from the India, just pay using Paytm this QR code, and this is my PayPal QR code. You pay from outside India. Okay, and just fill this form and get the membership of this projectvalley.co website. And here we have an English tutorial list, but it's not actually updated. But I will send you via mail. Okay, don't worry, updated soon. Okay, so here we have a tutorial list. You can see this is my complete tutorial list. That is Maui tutorial, the React.js projects. So this is my React.js project video tutorials here. So these are the React.js project tutorials, and ASP.NET question answers is also there. So here we have a 500 question answers actually mentioned here. So and a lots of things actually mentioned. So you can see in the tutorial list where we have a Serilogs, design patterns, Azure tutorials, Azure DevOps tutorials are also mentioned, and most to know topics about the .NET. If you want to become a fully web development project engineer, so you must to purchase this membership because it's tremendous. Okay. Now continue in my project, and here we have a post post model in your blog service. Okay, so similarly your data context is ready, and extension method for add authentication extension. So validate your tokens easily with the help of this add authentication service. Okay, now similar like that we have a authentication service, and authentication controller we have a auth controller, where we have a login controller, and there we have a register controller. So during the register, we just register into the database and response back to this email, error messages, and the token. Okay, so that is the very simple, and generate a token as well. Okay, so that is my authentication service. And now also we have a client in the Angular. So just I want to show my client as well. So just open Visual Studio, and I'm going to show my clients here. So that is my client here. So node modules, SRC, and that is index and post dot services. I just not completed yet, but I'm working on that. Okay, so recently wait for 10 to 15 minutes and just uploaded on my website, that is projectvalley.co, and the complete code and project descriptions, complete video descriptions as well. Thank you very much for watching this.